Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you 10 gestures and shortcuts that make Xiaomi 15T faster. So first, after unlocking your device, still hold the fingerprint, and here you can select one of the three applications already. The next thing, go into the settings, then right here search for the shortcuts, gestures shortcuts, and here we have some. For example, launch digital assistant, enable it, and click and press the power button for 0.5 seconds, and it enables the digital assistant. Next is take a screenshot. First option, slide 3 fingers, and next volume down and power button at the same time. Go next to partial screenshot, press and hold with 3 fingers, and you can select what to screenshot. Then launch camera, enable, and double press the power button. Oops. And we have the camera. Then turn on torch, double press the power button. We need to replace it. And it enables the flashlight and of course disables it too. Then power off. We have the press the power and volume up button, or press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, whatever you prefer. Then, when you slide from the bottom, you go to the main menu. When you slide and hold, the background app opens. Then, when we're in a app, just slide on the bottom to the right to go through the apps, and to the left to go back, and slide from the right or from the left to go back in an app. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.